He tried, emptied out his clip, but you still died. 5 in the morning and I'm still outside, trying to make $1 million, finna send that bride on a flight with a brick of white. We so fly, we out of mind, we don't sleep at night. The light super bright, took away my sight, took away my everything. But I love the life, so nigga, what set you claim? A second breath came, killing just to test my aim. Body shot first time, I tested a thing. The best still remain in the cuts, why you fuck nigga, still I game. Keep lying in your murder, it's gon' be arranged. It's gon' be a shame, just give me your chain and hop out your car. Rape his pockets, hop in and blend with the dark. Fuck what you love, boy, if you shot in the heart.
I try, you see a nigga making these moves, that's why I try. When I fall, I'm taking that bruise, that's why I try. I cannot lose, I cannot lose, that's why I try. You see a nigga making these moves, that's why I try. When I fall, I'm taking that bruise, that's why I try. I cannot lose, that's why I try.
Whatever I could discern, believe me, it's potent. They say my rhymes and words just flow like the ocean. I keep heat, so they call me the toast man. I move coke and weed, so they call me a dope man. I call it hope if your home was broken. Mine smoking pops and rolling stone is hopeless. I grew up with the rats and the roaches on a pissy mattress, dreaming about mansions and Porsches. Money expansion, dismantle your fortress. No door handles on it, sewer money was corporate. Blitz them every 5 seconds.